Alrighty guys, as you can see, I've put out some more dots because we are now going to go into a formation change. Up to this point, we have been in our X. Now we're going to move to a regular line. And we're going to move to that line when he says, this love is never going to fade. We're going to walk to our places. I'll tell y'all where you're going to go in just a minute. As we walk, we're going to shake our hands like we're saying never, ever, ever. Alrighty, so I'm going to pretend I'm Donnie right now, and he's going to move to this front dot here. So it's going to be, and this love will never, ever fade. Of course, when we dance this on the stage, you're going to have a lot more room to dance. But you saw what I did, is I was here, and I'm going to walk to that dot when he says, this love is never going to fade. So, this love is never going to fade. I'm shaking out those hands. So, as I said, Donnie is going to come to my center dot. So, my 2-point boys, Aiden and Blake, you're going to stay right where you are. Alrighty? So, Donnie is going to come to this red dot here. Then, I'm going to have Alejandro, who I think I put there. I'm going to have Alejandro come on over all the way to this dot here. And Daniel, back here, all the way to this dot here. Alright? So we want to make sure that we kind of hoof it to get there. Alright? We don't want to just go la 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 la. You have just that one lyric to get there. Alrighty? So we go, and this love is never gonna fade. So now I've moved forward. I'm in my new formation in the line. And he's going to say, we are timeless. We are timeless. He's going to say that 2 times. So we're going to take our left hand, where we usually sometimes wear a watch, and I'm going to put it up above my head. I'm going to swish when he says, we are timeless. We are timeless. So as you saw, I have my left foot up as I'm raising my left hand, and I'm going to swish it. Swish, swish, swish on we are timeless. So then when he says it again for the second time, I'm going to take this hand that's up above my head and drop it down by my waist, and I'm still going to do the exact same foot. We are timeless. Alrighty? So one more time. That is, this love is never going to fade. I'll go from that formation change again, but this time I'll be a different boy. Alrighty? I'll be Alejandro. Okay? So I'm here, and I'm going to walk to my new dot. So this love is never gonna fade. He's going to say, we are timeless. First time, we are timeless. Second time, we are timeless. Alrighty? Then, my heart will never ever change. We're going to go and take our left hand and put it on our heart. Alrighty? And then, I'm going to take my right foot and I'm going to pivot around. So let's look at that. I'm going to bring this foot around. Around, 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 around. Alrighty? But let's make it look a little cool. So I'm going to put this hand up to the side as I pivot around. So it looks like this. I'm here. And this is going to be on my heart will never ever change. Like we're saying, no, 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 it's not going to change. It's not going to change. And I'm going to pivot around. My heart will never ever change. Then he's going to say, we are timeless 2 more times. I'm going to bring my right hand up. We are timeless. I'm kind of doing a pull, pull with my right arm. Then I'm going to take my left arm when he says timeless again for the second time and pull it down. We are timeless. Alrighty guys, I'm going to go put on the music in our next video so you can see it with that.